Hi guys, this is your friend Ram Rawat, the mustache marketer, and in this video I'm going to show you how exactly you can use Klever Kreator and what uses it can have and how we can generate artificial intelligence images by simply typing what we are looking for. So this is a demo project and I'll click on next, and then we are going to create our first AI generated graphic image using Klever Kreator AI app. So here is what you are going to do. You are going to put your imagination on the paddle and you are going to generate whatever comes to your mind. So for example, I want to create a space robot, and I simply have to do type space robot and I'll click on the search option and it is going to generate me a space robot. Then we are going to change a couple of things like the mode, the lightning mode, the style and other things, so that we can create different variations of the same image, and we are going to utilize these images for different uses. So we can see here it has created a space robot for me. Now what I can do, I can change the mode of the robot, like angry, happy, exciting, or whatever I want. So for example, I just want an angry robot, and I'll simply click on first let me just save this image by clicking on favorite, so it is going to get added to my favorite option. And then since I've changed the mode to angry, and maybe I should change the style to digital, and then search. Now let's see what it generates us. Okay, we have an angry space robot here. I'll simply save this image to favorites, and before we go further in the demo, let me take to you a small presentation. So what we can do using Klever Kreator, the first thing we can do, we can create AI images that we just did. We can create NFTs and sell them on different platforms like OpenSea and other NFT mining platforms. Third, we can create any kind of graphics for our business needs. You can provide services on Fiverr by taking the clients and fulfill their requirements using Klever Kreator. Then you can create graphics for sales pages, funnels, and for social media, etc, etc. So you got a gist like what Klever Kreator app can do for you. Now let me show you, you can even edit these images that we just generated. So the first thing that comes to my mind after seeing this image is I can sell this as an NFT on OpenSea. So that is what I'm going to do. But before I do that, I can even utilize whatever image that I've generated here for my graphic requirements. So suppose I want to post this image on social media or utilize it for my ad campaign, I can simply click on the edit image option, and it is going to take me inside the image editor where I am going to create a small banner for the promotion or whatever I want to do. So let's say I want to add some text to this, and I want to say 10x your profits with AI. And then I want to add a background to it. Let's say red color background, and I want to change the color to white or little yellow. Okay, then I'll simply click on apply option, and you can see it is ready. And if I want to make any changes, I can do that by selecting different fonts. And I just wanted to grab attention on, for example, I just want to grab attention on social media. I can use this kind of image and I can post it, and then I can write whatever I want in my caption, and I can ask people to join my sign up on my landing page, or I can use it as an ad copy, ad campaign, or whatever comes to your mind. So the thing is, you can generate any kind of graphics using Klever Kreator app. So you generate the basic image from the AI generator, and then you can edit the image as per your requirements inside the image editor. So this is the main feature of the app. Now along with this, let me first save this image. It's saved, and you can see this is the image that we just generated. I'll just close this. I go back to the favorite option, and I can see the recently generated images that we just did. So these are the two we created, and before this I created few more, like angry ape, space robot, different kind of modes that this is a digital image of an angry ape, and there are so many more, like a man fighting a dinosaur, a pig with wings, India as a country as a woman, space cat, space robot, astronaut riding a horse. So it is going to create you images, the kind of images you want. You just have to type those keywords and see green moon. Yeah, so just put just put the text inside the image creator and image generator, and it is going to generate the images for you. Then along with that, we have so many more features, like creating the video, social media planner, create social media posts, then background remover, and mass video creator, where you can split to one video into multiple and utilize them for YouTube shorts or Instagram reels or TikTok videos. You can utilize the Creative Commons videos directly from YouTube. Then stock images, you can click here and you can find the stock images, you can find the HD images, then popular videos, animated videos, stock videos, motion videos, those background motion videos that you might be seeing into the professional videos of some YouTubers, or you might have seen them on different professional videos wherever they are used. Then green screen videos, then memes, and we also have an audio editor inside this, then vectors, or then illustration. So for example, you want to add some illustration to your graphics, your sales page or landing page, you can do that. Let's say a laptop or a computer, you can find those kind of illustration images. So I'm just walking you through what other features it has. See, so you go through each one of them, just simply search and hit the search button, type the keyword and hit the search button. That's all you need to do, and you can find your required graphics. See, GIFs, you can find GIFs on any topic, latest GIFs, stickers, animated text, icons. There is so much to this software that you can use. So for example, I'll just show you one more example. Let's say animated text, and I want to animate money or my own name like Ram Rawat. I can do that by simply typing that text, and let's see what it has generated for us. See, I can add my own name, and I can utilize all these things inside the latest format of videos, like Instagram reels, TikTok videos, YouTube shorts, those vertical videos. You can utilize all these graphics inside your videos, inside your sales pages. You can generate NFTs and so much more by simply using one tool that's called Klever Kreator AI. So I hope you understood what it can do and how it can fulfill your graphics requirements. If you still have any questions, queries, you can feel free to reach out to my support, that is support@ramrawat.net, and I'll be happy to help you. So thanks for watching this video. Take care. Bye bye.